Hey students, in the last class we discussed adjectives and adverbs. Now discuss relative adverbs. Okay, relative adverbs are the words like where, when, and why. Like it connects parts of a sentence and give more information about the action. Okay, for example, this is a park where we played. Do you remember the day when we met? That is a reason why I left. As you guys can see that where, when, and why. It's not only connect the part of a sentence, but it also give more information about the verb. Okay. Choose between adjectives and adverbs. As I have told you that adjectives describes noun, whereas adverbs describes verb, adjectives or other adverbs. Like in this example, the dog is fast. As you guys can see, that dog is a noun. And when we write the dog is fast, fast basically describes the quality of noun. Okay, fast describes dog. Whereas in adverb, the dog runs fast. As you guys can see that run is basically a verb, but when we add the dog runs fast, fast describes the quality of verb. Okay, fast describes runs. Okay, how to tell the difference? As I have told you that adjective describes a noun, okay, whereas adverb describes a verb, adjective or adverb. Okay, we have example, the happy child laughed. As I have told you that the child is a noun, okay, but when we add happy child, happy child means it describes the noun. The happy describes the child. Okay, the happy describes the noun in this sentence. Whereas in adverb, the child laughed happily. Okay, as you guys can see that laughed is a verb, but when we add laughed happily, happily describes the verb. Happily describes that laughed. Okay. Okay, let's discuss clue. Adjectives often comes before a noun. Big house, shiny shoes, whereas adverbs come after a verb. Walked slowly, smiled brightly. As you guys can see that the in the previous examples, happy child, the adjective comes before the noun, whereas in adverb example, laughed happily, the adverb comes after the verb. Okay, this is the reason, this is the basic point, you guys can note this. Okay, use adjectives to compare. Okay, how to compare with adjectives? Okay, when we have two things, we simply add er in the adjective to compare two things. Like this tree is taller than that one, this tree is taller than that one, and add est to compare three or more things. Like we have example that Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the Dubai. Okay, this is the tallest tree in the park. Okay, for adjectives ending in y, change y to I. Okay, for example, we have adjective happy. We simply changes it to happier and happiest. Why? Because it ends with y. For short adjectives, just add er to est, like small, smaller, smallest. Okay, spell adjective that compare. Okay, for most one syllable adjectives, add er or est. Like we have one syllable word is cold, colder, coldest. Okay, like we have another word like one syllable word is big, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, for two syllable adjectives ending in y, change y to I. For example, busy, busier, busiest. And for long adjectives, use more or most. For example, more exciting, most exciting. Okay, let's move towards the next slide. Okay. Okay, use adjectives with more and most. When to use more or most? When we used to compare two things, we simply use more. Okay, this book is more interesting than that one. And when we have three or more things, we simply use most. For example, this is the most exciting book of all. Okay, okay. Use adverbs to compare. Okay, we simply add er to est for short adverbs. He runs faster than her. She runs fastest of all. Okay, use more and most for longer adverbs. Like she speaks more clearly than her brother and she speaks most clearly in the class. Okay? Okay, this is a summary of adverbs and adjectives. Adjectives describes nouns and pronouns. They tell what kind, how many, or which one. For example, a tall tree, three apples. Okay, whereas adverbs describes verb, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent. For example, she sings beautifully. He arrived early. Use adjectives to compare, add est, or use most and most. This is a key point, okay? And use adverbs to compare, add est, or use most and more for longer adverbs, okay?